This compact Sprinter van transforms into a two-story camper with panoramic views, a full kitchen, and sleeping space for four. This is the Summit S1 by Fieldvan, a compact pop-top camper built on the Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 platform, and despite its smaller footprint, it's packed with features that make it feel much bigger than you'd expect. The standout feature is without question the pop-top sleeping area. The moment the roof is raised, the entire feel of the van changes. Up here, you get incredible visibility in every direction, plenty of airflow, and enough natural light to make the space feel open rather than cramped. The front section of the bed serves as the head area, and when needed, part of the structure can be moved out of the way. The rest of the sleeping platform folds neatly overhead when it's not in use. Now here's where the design gets even smarter. When the roof is lowered, the van doesn't suddenly become unusable. There's still a section where an adult can stand upright comfortably, and all of the essential living functions remain available. Once you're ready to travel, sturdy locking latches secure the roof safely in place. Getting into the upper sleeping area is simple. A ladder is included, though many owners quickly discover their own preferred way of climbing up. Once inside, the sleeping space feels surprisingly generous. Two adults can comfortably sleep here without feeling squeezed together. The ventilation system deserves special attention. The side panels can be opened to create massive airflow through the sleeping area. If you want fresh air without inviting insects inside, integrated bug screens zip into place. Clear panels provide protection from weather while still allowing visibility outside. When nighttime arrives and privacy becomes important, blackout covers can be deployed over each opening. Small storage pockets located around the bed are perfect for phones, books, glasses, or other personal items. USB charging ports nearby make it easy to keep devices powered while you sleep. The main living area centers around a bench seat equipped with seat belts for passengers. Combined with the front seating positions, the van can transport up to 5 people. When it's time to sleep, the seating area converts into an additional bed, allowing the Summit S1 to accommodate up to 4 sleepers between the lower bed and the pop-top above. A removable table turns the space into a dining area, workstation, or lounge. Since the table can also be taken outside, it adds flexibility when you're camping in good weather. Storage is another area where the Summit S1 makes excellent use of available space. A tall wardrobe provides room for clothing and gear. Shelves occupy one side while a hanging section occupies the other. The shelving can also be adjusted or removed depending on what you're carrying. Additional compartments are integrated throughout the cabinet, giving you dedicated spots for smaller items that would otherwise end up cluttering the living area. Moving forward through the van, you'll find more storage paired with a microwave, making meal preparation easier when you're on the road. One thing you'll notice throughout the interior is how efficiently every inch has been utilized. There's even a mirror conveniently positioned for getting ready in the morning. Power comes from a substantial off-grid electrical system. A 3,000-watt inverter supplies household-style electricity throughout the van. A stainless steel sink handles dishwashing and food prep duties. The Induction cooktop provides a clean and efficient cooking surface without relying on propane. Above the kitchen, a dedicated storage cubby keeps frequently used items within easy reach. Natural light enters through a nearby window, making the kitchen feel bright and open during the day. Below the counter, you'll find additional storage drawers and one of the larger refrigerators typically found in a camper van of this size. The freezer compartment is also large enough for extended trips. Further down are utility controls, power outlets, and switches that manage various systems throughout the van. One of the more interesting features is hidden in plain sight. What appears to be a simple ottoman actually conceals a portable toilet. When not needed, it functions as a seat and blends seamlessly into the interior. At night, it can be placed wherever convenient and then stored away again in the morning. It's a simple solution that avoids dedicating valuable floor space to a permanent bathroom. Privacy throughout the van is handled by integrated window coverings. After sunset, the LED lighting system takes over. Lighting is positioned throughout the cabin, including dedicated task lights in the kitchen area. The controls are modern and intuitive. Touch-sensitive switches allow you to turn lights on or off with a tap, while holding the switch adjusts brightness levels. Additional USB charging ports and household outlets are positioned where you'll actually use them. Up front, both cab seats swivel around to become part of the living area. This simple feature dramatically increases usable seating space and helps create a more social environment inside the van. Stepping outside, the Summit S1 continues to impress. An electric retractable running board makes entry and exit easier, while a large side awning creates a shaded outdoor living space in seconds. The upgraded wheel and tire package gives the van a more aggressive stance while improving capability on rougher terrain. The suspension has also been enhanced with an agile off-road package, helping improve ride quality and off-pavement performance. The driver's side entrance receives its own retractable step for convenience. A rear ladder provides access to the roof, making it easier to clean solar panels, access gear, or utilize the roof rack for additional storage. Utility connections are neatly integrated into the exterior. You'll find shore power hookups, city water connections, and access points designed for straightforward campground setup. At the rear of the van, an outdoor shower adds versatility for rinsing off after hikes. Hot water is supplied by a combined heating and water heating system. The water pump is easy to reach, and the freshwater tank level can be visually checked without complicated monitoring systems. The Summit S1 carries approximately 23 gallons of fresh water, providing a solid balance between capacity and weight. Storage continues throughout the rear cargo area, often referred to as the garage. This space handles larger gear while still leaving room for everyday necessities. On the passenger side, exterior outlets and lighting add convenience when spending time outside the van. The Summit S1 remains one of Fieldvan's most popular floor plans, and it's easy to understand why. It combines genuine off-grid capability, comfortable sleeping arrangements, flexible living space, and four-season practicality without requiring a large vehicle footprint. Fieldvan also builds on several other platforms, including Ford Transit, high-roof Sprinter models, extended wheelbase configurations, and Ram ProMaster chassis. Customers can even bring their own van for a custom conversion. With options included, this particular Summit S1 comes in at roughly $190,000. That's certainly a premium price point, but the attention to detail, quality of construction, and intelligent use of space help explain why this model continues to attract so much attention. The feature that stands out most is still the pop-top penthouse. It adds sleeping space, natural ventilation, incredible views, and a completely different feel to the van without sacrificing drivability or everyday usability. For a camper van that remains compact on the outside while offering this much functionality inside, the Summit S1 makes a very strong case for itself.